sports fans. We're at Brave Stadium in Atlanta, and the moment of truth has come. Up at the plate in an attempt to break one of baseball's greatest records stands number 44, Aaron Hank Aaron.
He started out hitting them in a southern town. People would come from miles around to watch him stand with the bat in his hand. The heat from his bat gave the umpire a tan. Hammering Hank, yeah, the pitcher feels faint. The crowd stands and cheers as Henry A. knocks 7-15 across the fence to it, Hank. Hank, yeah, 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 yeah. Hammer and Hank, do it, Hank, Hank. Here comes that curve, look at that stance. Right field and center is all the way back. Every player they have is spreading left to right, but old Henry baby knocked it clean out of sight. Hammer and Hank, yeah, the pitcher feels faint. The crowd stands and cheers as Henry A. knocks 7-15 cross the fence. Do it, Hank, Hank, yeah, yeah. Do it, Hank. You can do it, yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah. If you want the truth, he's gonna beat Ruth with a hammerhead bat